In social science, a global teacher has a wide appreciation of, drawn from the concept of unity in variety of people around the globe. Would this be letter A, multiculturalism, letter B, education for all, letter C, values education, or letter D, education for sustainable development? Okay, letter A ang nakita kong choice ng bayan. And of course, letter A is tumpak na unity in variety. Or sometimes na makikita niyo po sa beauty in diversity. Okay, so beauty, kagandahan ng pagkakaiba-iba. No? Yan po yung ibig sabihin niyan. And so multiculturalism po ang ating hinahanap. Okay, so not EFA, education for all, na values education. This one is sustainable development. Okay? So lahat naman po ito ay mga mahahalagang salik, no? Mga magagandang salik ng ating education at the moment sa Pilipinas, but specifically for number 18, letter A ang ating choice.